I'm going to show you how to make a variety of different rolled sugar cookies. With our egg and vanilla incorporated into our butter sugar mixture, it's time to add the dry ingredients, which is the flour, baking powder, and salt mixture. We're going to add it in all at once because it's a smaller amount, so we don't have to worry about it overwhelming our liquid ingredients. In order to help ensure that we don't have flour flying everywhere, I'm going to incorporate it a little bit with the spatula just to kind of moisten the flour a bit, because if we were to start up the mixer immediately, all the flour on top is going to rise up in a nice big poof, and you don't want cloudy flour throughout your kitchen. So I'm going to scrape that spatula on the beater, and I'm going to start it nice and slowly. Get a little bit more off that spatula. I'm going to start it up slowly, and of course the mixture will be a little bit crumbly to begin with, and then it'll start sticking together until you have a lump of cookie dough. We're going to speed up the mixer a little bit as it is fully incorporated.